at the very center of Calafell town. Actually, that street formerly was called the street to the sea. Times has changed. What hasn't changed is the essence, the heritage of this beautiful townhouse. So, Marga, could you give me in a nutshell the history of the house?
Well, this house used to be a nunnery.
I see.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yeah, and it was inherited by my father from his aunt.
I see.
Yeah, and it was built around the end of the 19th century.
Yeah, I've seen
So-
the door, 1869, isn't it?
That's it. It's nice to taking care of it.
What this house means for you?
For me, this house means happiness, childhood, and my marriage. Because yes, I prepared myself here in this house for my marriage.
What is what you wish, what you desire for the next person owning this property, living here?
I like that you make me this question because I thought about this. I just wish to the people that will own this house happiness, all the senses of this Mediterranean life, and just enjoy.
Very sensitive. I appreciate your answers. Thank you very much, Marga.
Thank you, Jaume.
Thank you. A mi, una cosa que m'encanta, que em té boig d'aquesta casa, i que potser és una cosa que no... Aquesta arcada, aquesta pedra, que estic segur que si això es fa, sortirà aquell totxo preciós. Uau! Aquí una tauleta. És que això és un marc. És espectacular, això.